Open Notepad. The HTTP module is imported to create an HTTP server. The URL module is imported to help with parsing the URL and extracting query parameters. This function creates a web server. Inside this function is a callback. Request represents the request from the client, and response used to send back a response to the client. The server sends a response header with the status code 200, which means OK, and a content type of text HTML, indicating that the response will be in HTML format. This line parses the incoming URL and extracts the query parameters. The variables are used to access the year and month query parameters. These values are combined into the variable text, which holds the string. This line sends the response back to the client, displaying the year and month extracted from the URL. The server listens for requests on port 8080. When you visit the link, the server will respond by displaying the text. Then, save the file. Go to Start menu and click on the Node.js command prompt. Now the command prompt is open. The location of your file and initiate the file. Copy the address on the module and paste it on your browser. You can also change that